Hi everyone, my name is Roxanne. I'm 38 years old. I follow Perfect Shade Cosmetics on Facebook, and I WhatsApp Shirlo, and she did my color match via WhatsApp, and I was extremely excited because it was a perfect match, and I offered to be her model today, and I'm excited to see what the end result will be. So guys, let's wait and see what it's going to be like.
Okay. So I'm just starting off with Roxanne's face with the Photoshop primer. You can see she's got a few breakouts. She's got slight darkening underneath her eyes. Her face is a little bit darker than her neck, so I am going to zap all these zits as well and make her face the same color as her neck. Now I'm applying the Bronze 4 corrector. I'm using beige 5 foundation to match her neck, so when you put it on you can see immediately it just blends in. Okay, I'm just applying beige 1 foundation in these little lines here underneath the eyes, which a lot of women battle with. So what I suggest you do is just go with a lighter foundation in here. You don't need a separate concealer, but if you do have a lighter foundation, then just go with a lighter foundation just to even out the line. You can see immediately it's just evened out. So it's a form of corrective work underneath the eyes, just by bringing this line out here and making it look less visible and less tired, because that's what it does. It makes you look tired. Turn your face this way, not the other way. I'm just going to spot conceal here. And now I'm going to mix her powder and her mattifying powder together. So you can either apply it right at the beginning or you can apply it like this. I'm taking her number 5 powder, that's the mattifying powder, and you can mix it together. So if you don't want to do a separate step altogether, then that's what you can do. Immediately it smoothens, you can see it. So that's together with the beige, with the number 5 powder. Then I'm going to use the powder brush, the bigger powder brush, and just brush away. So to get maximum coverage on a certain area, I can still see some of these blemishes. I'm going to dab foundation on, blend it out, and then reseal with powder. So that's the layering technique that I usually send through to my clients if they need maximum coverage on a certain area. Okay, and then you just reseal with powder. Next, I'm going to contour her face using our contour and highlighter palette. Cutting her jawline, cutting her cheekbones. Next, I'm doing her brows with number 2 brow tattoo for 150 Rand. We have and using the corresponding brow brush, keep your eyes closed, for 35 Rand. Next, I'm going to show you how to use our body highlights, the gold one, on her cheekbones. So before I do this, I'm going to apply a light blusher just to give some color underneath the highlighter. So I'm using Miss Rose number 12 blusher, which is retailing at 100 Rand. So over the contour. So I'm going to spread out the highlighter on a powder puff, and I'm just going to gently dab it on with no product on it. So just very gently so that you get a smooth finish only on her cheekbones. Keep your face straight. Just here. Because she's already got such beautiful cheekbones. Keep your eyes closed for me. And then over that, I'm going to seal it with a powder highlighter from our highlighter palette. So make sure it's nice and smooth, especially on the cheekbones. It's like just slapping the cheekbones. Small slaps, face beating with a powder puff. You can even use a blender for this so that you get a nice even finish. Next, I'm using the same body highlighter on the lids just to hold down the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using on her, which is the bronze and the creamy highlighter from the same Miss Rose palette. So this is going to be used as a primer. Next, I'm doing her liner, and I'm going to be doing it as a foxy eye because Roxanne's got a bit of a droop on the end, so I really want to lift the outer edges of her eyelids. So I'm going to use our liner. Okay, while that dries, I'm going to prepare her lashes, trimming it, and then just enough for the foxy eye effect. Okay, while the lashes are drying, I'm just going to do a light coat of mascara. Okay, just using number 3 lip crayon to moisturize her lips, and you're going to blot for me. Using number 7 creamy lip matte on her. She's got nice full lips, so I'm going to go quite bold. Okay, so I'm just going to finish off Roxanne's look with fixing spray. I'm just going to spray her face for all the dry areas and just to make it look dewy and moist. Okay, so keep your eyes closed gently and spray and spray. Okay, and that's just waiting for that to dry. So ladies, this is Roxanne for her after look. If you'd like to know what I'd used on her face, then please WhatsApp me on 079-272-4713. Ladies, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see more of these amazing tutorials. Until the next look, bye!
Hi guys, this is my final look. I think Shiloh did an amazing job covering all of my zits that I had before the start of this. I highly recommend her for you. Guys, WhatsApp her. She match colors you to 100% because that's what she did with me, and I use this on a daily basis and the feel is phenomenal. It's as if you have nothing on your face. It's natural as ever and very creamy, very natural, and you look amazing as I feel. So guys, go and buy it. Oh my word, so beautiful. I look so different. Wow, it's amazing. My eyebrows are so defined. I love it.
How does the product feel?
It feels natural. It doesn't feel baked or heavy or too many layers on.
Even though I put like 4 layers on your zits.
Yeah, you covered it quite good.
And it doesn't feel clogged.
Not at all. I love it. It's a lovely everyday makeup that you can use. Yeah, I love it. It's beautiful. So ladies and gents, this is my final look and I hope you guys like it because I like it as well.
What would you like to say to the ladies?
Guys, subscribe to her YouTube channel and follow on Facebook. Her stuff is amazing and you can use it on a daily basis and you will feel beautiful as I feel.